Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Carlton Lewis, your Atlanta real estate agent. I am coming to you live and direct from Kennesaw, Georgia. We're getting ready to tour this beautiful model home behind me. It's by Traton Homes and the subdivision is called Kirk Ridge. I'm looking forward to showing you this beautiful home. They have different floor plans here in this community. They have one level ranch and they also have 2 stories that are available. So if you have any interest in this home or a home like this, definitely reach out to me. My contact information will be above, and I look forward to showing you this home. Let's go inside. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath home in the Kirk Ridge subdivision offers exterior charm with its warm and welcoming covered front porch. The foyer, flanked by a secondary bedroom and full bath, leads to the spacious open living area that includes a stunning kitchen with island and walk-in pantry, a bright family room with views to the screened-in courtyard patio, and a dining area. The owner's suite wing includes a elegantly appointed bath with curbless entry walk-in shower, bench seat, and shower niche, as well as a large walk-in closet, separate linen closet, and views to the courtyard from your bedroom. Other features include a mudroom and a convenient laundry room located near the owner's suite. A second level features the 3rd bedroom, 3rd full bath, and media room, perfect for guests and or entertainment. It's in a great location, located at the foothills of Kennesaw Mountain, has private courtyards, 10 feet ceilings. You can get 2 or 3 car garages, and local schools include Westside Elementary, Marietta Middle, Marietta High, and plenty of shopping and dining in the area. Let's start your tour. Hey, we're back. I would love to hear what you thought about this beautiful model home here in Kennesaw, Georgia. Definitely make sure you contact me. There's my information up there above. And if you got some value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any questions. I answer all comments. And definitely make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out a new video. I look forward to doing more of these model home tours and luxury home tours for you guys and girls. And we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. Peace.